The moment you enter the campus, there's a lake on the right hand side, right? And then you go up the road, there are hills, and there's everything. So the bus left is there, and I checked the register. They said you have C hostel. I said, where is C hostel? It's at the top of the hill. I was so thrilled. I felt like this is my world. Mostly privileged people, they were just complaining about hostel room is so small, what is this, what is this paint, what is this furniture. I was just like, it's perfect. I opened the balcony, there is greenery. I'm like, this is perfect.
एकेडमिकली कैसा परफॉर्म किया, एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर्स कैसे थे, फर्स्ट टाइम इंडिपेंडेंट फ्रॉम होम।
मस्ती वस्ती होती रहेगी। अब आते हैं, बहुत पैसा ले लिया है बैंक से ठीक है, 40 लाख का लोन सैंक्शन करा लिया, 22 लाख फीस में चले गए हैं।
I hear it's a very beautiful campus. How was it when you first time saw it?
It was so surreal because I have never been outside of Delhi. Of course, I've been to Punjab because my lineage lives there, but I've never been outside of Delhi otherwise because we barely traveled because we were making making ends meet, right? And I honestly, the reason I decided to do an IAM thing was because I was a day scholar at SRCC. I don't know what hostel life is. And if tomorrow I want to sit back, I want to have a good college life, I want to talk about, I want to experience what a hostel is, I want to experience more of college, and I want to experience it outside of Delhi. So even though I converted I am Indore, I wanted to go to K because it is further away and it's so different, it's not in North India. So I was like, I want to go to IM Cave because of all those reasons. The moment you enter the campus, there's a lake on the right hand side, right? And then you go up the road, there are hills, and there's everything. And I had heard from everybody that the weather is amazing. It's gonna be so nice and everything. So I was prepared that way, but it was still 22nd of June. By the way, it was my birthday, the day I entered the college. So I entered the college, it's so humid, everybody is sweating, and it's almost about to rain, but it's not raining. It's so humid because it's June. I'm like, what are people going on and on about the weather? Because the weather is so bad. And when I reached D landing area, there they said the bus leaves you there. So the bus left is there, and I checked the register. They said you have C hostel. I said, where is C hostel? It's at the top of the hill. It's almost like 200, 300 steps. I have 2 suitcases. And by the time I didn't know the shortcuts and stuff, right? So I literally, there were like 2 laborers working there. And in my broken Hindi or whatever, we literally, me and another girl, begged them, can you please take our suitcases above? And they were such nice men. They did it. They took our suitcases. We went there. We saw the hostel for the first time. And I was so thrilled when I saw that small room. It didn't feel small to me at all. I was so thrilled. I felt like this is my world. I have like there were a lot of people, mostly privileged people, they were just complaining about hostel room is so small, what is this? What is this paint? What is this furniture? I was just like, it's perfect. I opened the balcony, there is greenery. I'm like, this is perfect. I had no complaints at all. I was settled in 2 days because like people are going to the mess and they're complaining about the food. I think for the first few days, I never had a problem with the food. It's like the food is also amazing. Everything is amazing. Then it started raining. I love rains. Then I'm like, the rain is amazing. This campus is beautiful. This is what my dreams are.
And how was 2 years at Amkozikut? How did you perform? Were you academically कैसा perform किया? Extra करिकुलर्स कैसे थे? First time living in the dorms. How was that? First time independent from home.
When I came to IM, I was very clear that I wasn't the top percentile in SRCC, but this time I came with an agenda. I want to be the top percentile here. I was like, मस्ती वस्ती होती रहेगी। अब आते हैं, बहुत पैसा ले लिया है बैंक से ठीक है, 40 लाख का लोन सैंक्शन करा लिया, 22 लाख फीस में चले गए हैं तो अब मस्ती वस्ती होती रहेगी, पहले करनी है पढ़ाई। So the moment you enter, they flash you with all these tasks, अपना resume बनाओ, अपना ये बनाओ. I was so scared. I was like, I don't want to lag behind on anything. I want to do everything. I want to be the person who studies. I don't care. So then I started going to classes, doing all these stuff. I remember it was the third day. We all were making our resumes. I was so very like इस बार तो resume बहुत ही अच्छा बनाना है and all of that. Obviously later on you understand कि ठीक है थोड़ा मजाक हो रहा है and all of that, but I just want to don't give away everything, but it was just fun. And then in terms of performing, again, I was very like thorough with my lectures and stuff. I used to do class participation. I used to pre-read the material, all of that, very very religiously. But I would still say that initially for like a month, things are still slower because you just have your classes. It's only when the placements things start, when you call to that first placement meet and you're all in your blazers and it finally hits you. Oh my god, this is why you're here, and suddenly you have not learned a thing in your class, but they're telling you now you're going to sit for your placements in the next 2 months, so get ready. So you are like, oh my god. I was like, every senior on campus I knew, I was getting my CV vetted from them. I was telling them, tell me what to write, fix it. We were also getting those mentors, CV mentors through these clubs. I was doing that, and I knew that I want to be the top of my game.